How 3D printing transforming manufacturing and design. 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing and design industry by enabling the production of complex and customized parts with greater efficiency and lower costs. This technology enables designers to create prototypes and final products quickly, accurately, and with less waste. With 3D printing, parts can be produced on demand, reducing the need for inventory storage and transportation costs. The use of 3D printing is also making it possible to produce parts that were previously impossible or too expensive to manufacture using traditional methods. This technology is also being used in the aerospace and automotive industries to produce lightweight parts that improve fuel efficiency and reduce environmental impact. Overall, 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing and design industry by enabling greater flexibility, customization, and cost-effectiveness.